In this sheet, we are going to see how a CountIf function works. CountIf function is a function which helps to count a number of specific values on the basis of a given set of a command. In this sheet, we have a set of data which says we have years all the way from 1995 till 2004. On the right hand side, we have the corresponding sales values of those years all the way from 36 till 38. Now suppose if I want to find out how many values are there which are more than 35 in this sales set of data, how can I do that? I can use CountIf function for that purpose. So let's see. Suppose if I want to find out the number of values which are more than 35. So let's try doing it. Equals to CountIf function. As you can see, in this the first thing it asks is the range. We have to look for the values from the sales values. So I'm going to select this whole from D4 all the way till D13 as a range, comma. Second thing is asked is the criteria. Criteria is nothing but the command. So we want to find out the values which is greater or equals to 35. On the same basis, I have given the command. So close the bracket and press enter. As you can see, the answer which comes is 4. That means out of all these sales values, we have 4 numbers which are greater than 35. So let's count manually. One is 36, one is 41, one is 45, and the last is 38. So this is the purpose of a CountIf function. Now let's see what a if function is. If function is basically to check a logical test for a given set of data, that if the value is true or false. For example, we have this certain set of data which has numbers. What we are trying to do is to identify if the number, any specific number, is less than 5 or greater than 5. This you can change depending upon your need. You can make it more than 5, more than 8, more than 9, whatever you guys want. Now let's see if we want to run this function for this particular value 3. I'm going to put equals to, so as you can see, it asks for the logical test. So the logical test is basically we have to conduct for the value 3, that is present in the cell H2. Now we have to see if that value is true or no, depending upon the command we have. That is, in this case, we need to find out if it is greater than 5 or smaller than 5. So we have given greater than 5, and then value if true is if it's more than 5, and value if false if it is less than 5. Close the bracket and then press enter. You can see over here the solution which comes is less than 5 because this value is less than 5, that is 3. Similarly, you can drag it all the way till down and see that 9 has shown as more than 5, 1 has chosen less than 5. In this way, we can use if function.